Morning people, there man, there again, you know. Just like giving a quick update of what go on the little farm. Yeah man, some pineapples that we did have in the house. So after me done peel them, I save the top end. I'm just try replant it. So I'm gonna watch them and see where I go. See the next one here. And this one now is a sucker, pineapple sucker that was growing on one of those bigger ones over there. So yeah man, I have some fever grass that I just get. You know fever grass, some people call it lemongrass. Yeah, now see, you make a nice tea, you can use when you cook. Have a very nice odor man, it smells really good, fever grass. So I'm gonna try deal with some, try catch one of the bushes, you know. There. Try put him in the earth right there, so see if he will grow it. I'll put him in the earth and see what happens from there. Come on, fever grass. Look from this man, I drink fever grass tea, you know? Pop chow, you know, some pop chow I did try plant and see them come out there man. Nice, look there. Yeah, man. So what I do is I just cut what I need. So I cut some more. And when you cut them, what happens is that instead of taking out the whole thing, when you cut it, it just grows right back. Yeah man. Good vibes on the garden. Yeah, and these are some peppers now. I'm gonna try off what you call them now? Another traditional like the Scotch bonnet pepper, the more Indian pepper. The one what kinda, you know, have a curl to it. Alright, maybe post one picture, I don't remember my name. It's an Indian pepper I think. Yeah man, them are going good. You know, coming in nicely. I wait to see how it bear and banana ackee straight from the backyard. Yeah man. Make some breakfast now. Giving thanks.